probably going to be hard to recall how far-fetched it seemed.
My first thought was, what was I going to do with it?
And then when mobile broadband really happened, it blew our mind.
This was something that could actually be big.
Somebody said 3G is going to be significant. What is it? And they said girls, games, and gambling.
Immediately you realize, well, that's not fast enough. And then you start to understand that nothing's fast enough. You always need to go faster.
We're the last generation that grew up in a dumb society where things were stupid and uninteresting.
Everybody is addicted to connectivity.
This is something you live with, and that is changing your life.
Unplug. Let's rethink mobile broadband.